Hey guys, so this is pregnancy update for weeks 13 and 14. So I'm sorry to be combining. Things have been moving kind of quickly and I've been busy, and I just wanted to give all the time that I could when I was able to shoot, so I hope that's okay. So we have now entered the second trimester, which is super exciting. I keep wanting to say semester because I'm a teacher, but that's not what it is, it's trimester. Anyways, so now that we're in the second trimester, we officially made the announcement. I feel like it's official when you put it on Facebook, which is what we did. Our family, obviously our immediate family, and everybody already knew. But anyways, it is pretty exciting that it's actually like official and happening, and it's kind of crazy. But anyways, weeks 13 and 14 have actually been relatively uneventful. So I'm still getting pretty steady night sweats. I feel like I'm getting used to them, so they're not like, because for a while, obviously, I was not really a fan. It's not fun, and it's not fun to like wake up to and then have to like shower and get changed and go to work. Not enjoyable. But they are pretty consistent. I am sleeping better, but I am having a bit of a hard time getting comfortable. So I feel like for the first trimester, I couldn't fall asleep, I couldn't stay asleep. But I wasn't really showing or anything, so I could still sleep in any position I wanted to. But now that I feel like I do have a belly a little bit now, I feel like I'm probably going to say that every week because it's going to get bigger. It's how this works. But it is now harder getting comfortable. Once I'm comfortable, I'm out, and I'm usually good for the night. I have been having a little bit of hip pain. I don't know if I mentioned that in an earlier video. I have had hip pain in the past, pretty randomly, honestly. But since I've been pregnant, it has been more frequent, and it seems to be worse when I'm laying on my side, and better if I'm laying on my back or stomach, which you're not really supposed to do when you're pregnant. So it's still early on, so I am sleeping on my back at some points, just because it doesn't bother my hips. But I know you're supposed to be on your side, so I might have to talk to the doctor about what I can do to try to alleviate that. So we'll see. And yeah, my belly is showing, so I'm definitely doing the belly bands or just bigger size jeans. I've noticed that my weight does fluctuate on a semi-regular basis, so I do have some jeans that are just looser and a bigger size, so I have moved into those. But I can still wear mostly regular shirts. But it's true, I didn't realize how many of my clothes are so tight until I have a belly now, and so it's like super obvious in those clothes. So I am appreciative. My sister really hooked me up, as well as Sean's cousin Liz, with their maternity clothes. And that has really helped me because I have like more shirt options. I haven't moved quite into the pants yet. I can still wear some of my bigger size pants, but anyways, yeah, that has been nice. My skin is still not great. I know we're not super close, and hopefully this lighting is a little friendly to me, but my cheeks are just constantly breaking out. The rest of my skin seems to be relatively fine, but in this region and this region, I've been having skin problems, and I don't want to play too much with different things because I know there's a lot that you can't do when you're pregnant as far as like salicylic acid and things like that on your skin, so I'm trying to just like let it be, wash off my makeup every night, use my face wash. So if I'm too lazy to like wash my face and like really get my makeup off, I'll use the Micellar Water. So I got this on, I get everything on Amazon, but this stuff is great because it's removing makeup, cleanses, refreshes. You don't have to rinse. You don't have to like rub your eyes really harshly. There's no oil, no alcohol, no fragrance. Anyways, this is like the easiest way to remove all my makeup if I don't feel like doing like an entire skin routine at night. And then what I've been doing after I wash my face or do some sort of skin routine is I've been using a Witch Hazel aloe vera toner. So this is, Rachel got me onto this, and I really like it. I think it smells wonderful. It does come in different scents, fragrances. This one is rose petal, which I really like. And this is another one that's like alcohol-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, just free of everything, I think. Anyways, so these two and my face wash have been what I've been using, and I feel like my skin is just going through cycles. Like sometimes it's really irritated and other times it's not. It does help to take it off before I go to bed, but I don't always remember that. Not, you know, I'm not that focused. So I've also been loving concealer. I don't really have under eye circles or bags or anything yet. I'm sure that's coming when I don't get any sleep. But I have been using it for my nose because I definitely have allergies, and I've just never found an allergy pill that really helps, and I just didn't want to mess with any meds right now. So I just blow my nose all the time. So I kind of need to refresh my concealer, and then I also put it on my cheeks as well because that's where the breakouts have been, and this has been a pretty big savior at this point. Yeah, that turned into more of like a skincare thing. Sorry, I hope that's okay. I'm just trying to like change things up and figure out what's gonna work. And I've been trying to drink a lot of water as well. Oh, I did have a couple of dizzy spells. Ooh, that was fun. So that was a little scary. Now I do have anxiety, obviously. If you watch any of these, you know that. So I do have times where sometimes my anxiety can make me dizzy, or it can like cause you to get like lightheaded and get like tingly fingers and toes, and I don't know, just that type of stuff can sometimes happen. But I feel like I got really close to fainting twice recently. And apparently, in case you have any random symptoms, I mean, certainly if they're painful and substantial, like call the doctor, but apparently almost everything in the universe is a symptom of pregnancy. Like the weirdest things that you would never think are a symptom of pregnancy. So thank goodness for Google, because I would just think that I was completely nuts. I only think I'm partially nuts now. But yeah, so apparently it is normal, particularly in the second trimester, because there's so much more blood pumping, and if you're getting up quickly, which I always do, I don't know why. I know I'm not fit. I don't exercise on purpose. You know, like I walk a good amount because I don't have a choice. But anyways, I do get up really quickly, but I don't think that was related to it. I think it has happened when, I think my blood sugar is getting really low. I've always had low blood sugar, which I know is weird. I think it's weird. But I feel like if I'll go a little while, because I feel like I'm just constantly eating, and I'm trying not to constantly eat, because you're only supposed to eat like 300 extra calories a day, and I'm definitely exceeding that. So I'm trying to like chill out on that. But if I go too long without eating, I swear my blood sugar like plunges, and I start to get really lightheaded, and of course that like scares me and freaks me out. So it hasn't happened in probably like 4 days. So I've been trying to like eat a little bit more consistently, and I guess more, I don't know. And I've been fine, and I'm trying to be slower when I get up and down. So I feel like I've been pretty successful there. I don't know. It's been good, and I do have a little bit of a belly, so I will show you. So I have a bit of a belly. Oop, going the wrong way. So here we go. So yeah, I've been rocking stretch pants. I think the kids call them yoga pants, but I feel silly calling them yoga pants when I did yoga like twice ever, so seems like a bit of a lie. All right, I'm gonna drink some water. That's all. Thank you guys so much.